To set units in Revit, go to Manage tab. Under Settings, select Project Units. So this will pop up a Units dialog box. Here go to Length, click on the rectangular box, then click here. So now I want my units in millimeters and with 2 decimal places with the symbol. So I'm going to give OK, and my area I want to measure in square feet without decimal places and with the symbol ft square. So better I'll take SF, and I'm going to give OK. The benefit in Revit is you can keep multiple units for a length, area, and whichever category you want. You can keep a multiple kind of units. For example, I'm drawing a wall. I'm going to draw a wall. Now Revit is showing the unit in mm. I want to draw a wall with the unit of feet. So what should I do? I should go to Manage tab. Under Settings, go to Project Units, go to Length, select feet and inches. Here I'm going to select the accuracy of 1/64 inch, and I'm going to give OK. And now I'm trying to draw a wall. To draw a wall, you can type a VA, otherwise you can go to Architecture and select a wall. Now you can see the Revit is giving the measurement, temporary measurement in feet and inches. This is how you can set your units.